Despite its recent rally, Nvidia stock surprisingly appears undervalued on this metric right now. Generative artificial intelligence, AI, is the hottest growth investment theme of 2023. Recent McKinsey AI market estimates of $2.6 trillion to $4.4 trillion speak volumes about its sheer size. The huge investment opportunity lies not in just one or two AI stocks, as the massive rally in Nvidia, Nasdaq, NVDA, stock would seem to imply. It extends to several stock groups that play vital roles in supporting the fast-growing AI ecosystem. Basically, three distinct groups of AI stocks have emerged for investors to evaluate as they prepare to unleash their portfolio's growth potential. Welcome back to Caffeinated Money, your go-to source for financial education and stock market insights. I'm your host, Mike, here to help you brew up some financial success. In today's video, we're going to dive into portfolio's potential with AI stocks. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we've got something for everyone. So, grab your favorite cup of joe and let's get started. But before we do, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks to secure your future. Let's get into it. 3 ways to invest in the AI market. The advanced chip manufacturers and their suppliers are at the forefront of the AI ecosystem. They are the nuts and bolts plays in the evolving value chain. Nvidia has been the face of this first AI stock group, and rightly so. Secondly, information technology consulting giants and their counterparts could continue to win new business as corporations around the world seek guidance in deploying new AI tools. The third group of AI stocks that offer outsized investment gains is comprised of software developers. Software engineering groups are tussling with each other to develop and market the best, most seductive, stickiest, most usable, and perfectly functional generative AI platforms for individuals and corporations to adopt. Generative AI's rising popularity catapulted the Nvidia stock price to new all-time highs in 2023. Surprisingly, NVDA stock appears undervalued today despite a strong 213% rally so far this year. Massive growth in AI chips and software sales is underway. Nvidia reported a 101.5% year-over-year surge in quarterly revenue to $13.5 billion and a rapid 400% increase in quarterly cash flow from operations to $6.3 billion by July 2023. Bay Street and Wall Street analysts project strong 48.8% growth in Nvidia's annual sales in 2024, despite a stronger comparable base year of 2023. Earnings growth could average a staggering 73% per year over the next 5 years. Nvidia's forward price-to-earnings (PE) multiple of 29.5 depicts shares as affordable, while a current price-earnings-to-growth (PEG) multiple of 0.5 implies shares could be undervalued relative to future earnings growth prospects. That said, it feels like Nvidia is an AI growth stock that has already been discovered. Investor returns could be lackluster from here onwards. Its smaller suppliers include Air Test Systems, Nasdaq, AEHR. Yet, its close competitor Advanced Micro Devices, Nasdaq, AMD, may offer better value and growth potential to investors' portfolios. A significant risk to watch is growing protectionism, deglobalization, as geopolitical events compel countries to starve each other of AI resources. The United States' recent ban on AI chip shipments to parts of the Middle East and China could be a case in point. Check out AI consulting firms. The second group of AI stocks to consider is information technology consulting companies. These include CGI Incorporated, TSX GIB.A, and Accenture, NYSE, ACN. Business consulting groups are playing a vital role in leading corporations through the generative AI adoption process. Huge investments have already been budgeted for this endeavor. Accenture has a $3 billion AI budget to work through, and CGI recently announced plans to invest a further $1 billion in expanding its AI capabilities. Money could flow in as businesses utilize their offerings to efficiently execute generative AI growth plans. This group of AI stocks has wide room to grow. Most noteworthy is the third group of AI stocks to check out as individual investors unleash their portfolio's growth potential with generative AI stocks. AI software developers and platform vendors are vigorously launching ever-improving generative AI models and platforms. However, waters remain murky in this AI stock group. It's generally hard to predict an ultimate winner among the emerging and periodically overhyped platforms. Small privately owned AI software startups, including OpenAI, the developer of ChatGPT, have made significant strides in attracting users to generative AI platforms. However, Microsoft, Nasdaq, MSFT, and Meta Platforms, Nasdaq, Meta, the owner of social media platforms Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, could potentially become dominant on the generative AI models front, too. The race is still heating up and investment opportunities still abound. Most noteworthy, generative AI may have the power to rejuvenate ailing business lines and revive weary corporate souls. Despite slow growth lately, OpenText, TSX-OTEX, is integrating its legacy software platforms and upgrading them with AI capabilities. The company claims to be driving digital and AI-led innovation specific to high-tech, financial services, insurance, utilities, healthcare, and more as it prepares to present its case during a Las Vegas conference in October. Hey! That's it for today's deep dive into the world of finance. I hope you found our discussion on the potential with AI stocks insightful and valuable. Remember, the key to financial success is knowledge, and that's what we're all about here at Caffeinated Money. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends who might also be interested in growing their wealth. Your support helps us create more content like this. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss out on our future videos. We've got a lot more financial insights and stock market tips coming your way. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. What was your biggest takeaway from today's video? Do you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. So, keep learning, stay invested, and let's make that money work for us. Until next time, this is Mike, signing off from Caffeinated Money. Stay savvy, money makers.